How do you manage digital content in different languages, or for local adaptations in different markets? To solve the challenge of localization, Enonic has introduced the layers functionality. Layers use an inheritance model to distribute and reuse content in different contexts. Teams can work in separate layers, while content created in one layer is inherited to all its child layers. Each layer has separate access control, publishing, and default language, and content editors can localize per layer. In other words, in a child layer you can edit and organize freely without affecting the parent structure. Layers take inspiration from Enonic's project functionality. The basic high-level unit of layers is thus a project, for example your site in English. This is the root layer. Let's say we add two more layers that inherit content from the English parent layer, French, and German. We can even add a third level, with French for France and Switzerland, and German for Germany and Switzerland. The reason for keeping, for instance, the Swiss French and the French layers separate, is if there is data specific to France that is not applicable to the Swiss market. Reusing the translation from French to Swiss French when possible will save your team both time and money. Layers are therefore apt for both translations and data enrichment, where you can enrich base data, like local product names, marketing texts, or box texts, in different markets with separate layers. As a result of all of this, the layers functionality can solve several localization problems, like URL structures, access control, schedules, search and search results, front-end performance, content reuse, and product management system integration. To sum up, you create content for each layer, which then trickles down to child layers, where teams can work independently from there on out. For instance, if you publish content in the parent layer, the publish status will not be affected in the child layers, meaning you have full control over what happens where and when.